Now we are taking a closer look at Levitate's fiberglass and why it is a key material in our prosthetic design. As professionals in the field, we know that material choice can directly impact durability, comfort, and mobility. Since our feet are designed to support a more active lifestyle than most on the market, we needed a material that's strong, lightweight, and delivers excellent energy return, without compromising on shock absorption, flexibility, and everyday comfort, which are crucial for a natural gait cycle. The obvious choice would have been carbon fiber, but to achieve the perfect balance of strength, responsiveness, and comfort, we partnered with top wind turbine engineers in Denmark to develop a unique fiberglass manufacturing method. This innovation delivers unmatched durability, high energy return, and superior comfort. Plus, it allowed us to create this distinctive color that runs through all of our feet. This is what makes Levitate fiberglass feet truly stand out.